Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to personalize your ringtone on iPhone. Here's how you can personalize your ringtone on an iPhone to make it unique to your style. First, use built-in ringtones. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap Sounds and Haptics. Under the Sounds and Vibration Pattern section, choose Ringtone. Choose from the preloaded ringtones, then tap a tone to preview, and it will automatically be set. Next, assign a ringtone to a specific contact. Launch the Contacts app and choose the contact you want to personalize. Tap Edit in the top right corner. Scroll to Ringtone, tap it, and choose the desired tone. And finally, tap Done to apply the settings. Tips for personalizing ringtones. Keep it short. Ringtones must be under 30 seconds long. Backup custom tones. Save your custom ringtones on your PC for easy reinstallation. Try apps like Zedge. These apps offer a variety of free ringtones. With these steps, you can make your iPhone's ringtone uniquely yours. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.